Hey everyone, welcome to Infor Learning. I'm excited to have you here for the sixth video in my Infor LN technical training series. And if you haven't seen the previous videos yet, I highly recommend you checking out them first as they'll help you for better understanding of today's session. Okay. And in my today's session, I'm going to explain you how you can create the VRCs, okay, package VRCs for your custom package. So let's start the today's agenda. In this today's session, I'm going to explain you the concepts of how you can create the custom packages and how you can add the modules over the top over the packages, okay, and how you can create the directories of software components for that custom packages, and how you can create a package VRCs, and how you can do the package by package combination, and what is the concept of rebuild DD, and what is this data dictionary means what. I'm going to explain you, and what is the concept, sorry, and what is the concept of this runtime data dictionary means what. So I'm going to cover all this topics in today's session, and this is the base of our training session, because from today's session we are going to completely on the technical part, and we are going to develop complete our custom application of our purchase order entry system. And this is our typically it is like a first class for our uh, creation of our purchase order entry system. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to do so. By subscribing, you'll ensure you won't miss any updates from my channel. Okay, and I'm committed to bring you fresh, engaging content. Starting from now, I'm going to upload new videos within 2 weeks. Within a week, I'll upload 2 videos. So don't miss out. Subscribe today, and if you find out my content helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. Okay, so let's start. So now we are going to open our bags and entering the password here. I'm just going 1 second. So as you can see here, like you can observe one thing, like see, whenever I'm opening my this LN application, it's defaultly taking me into the 100 company. Can anyone say why? Uh, Please pin in the comment section why it's opening every time 100 company. Okay, if I'll show you why it's showing. As I explained you in my previous video, during the configuration, what I have done means like in the B shell environment, I have like given 100 as default. Okay, so for that, due to that reason, whenever it's whenever I'm going to open my application, it defaultly matlab it defaultly opening the 100 company. So that, hold on, yeah. So that is the reason, and as I told you, we are going to develop the we are going to develop the custom application. So for developing a custom application, first we need to go to the tools part. Okay, and in tools part, as we are going to develop the application from the starting, so for that we need to go to the application development. Okay, and in application development, we need to go to the packages and modules. Right now what we are going to do, we are going to create the package VRCs. Okay, so for that we need to go to packages and modules. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, and if you want this application in your system also, you can contact me. Okay, okay, and now we are going to create a custom package. Okay, like as I told you in my previous class about the concepts of like this package modules, VRC, what is mean by VRC, what is the mean of these directories of software components, and what is the it means of package by package combination. So please do check out. Okay, so in this packages, you can see here, see, remember the standard code for packages. Okay, every time, because in an interview if someone asks you, can you explain me like can you tell me what is the standard code for packages, you should have to say that like, sir, TTADV 1100 and 000 is the standard code for packages. So always remember the standard codes. Okay, standard session codes. Now what we are going to do in this packages, we are going to create our custom package. Okay, I'll show you here like how you can create. There is a way of creating this. Like press Control N, and after pressing, you need to see, you can see here it's like an arrow is showing. So it's like it's showing you some another session. So it basically the same packages only it's referring. So as of now we haven't created any like our custom package, so that's why it's not showing here. But you can see here I've created one IM package. This is my custom package on my previous class I have created. So that's here showing. That is so here I'll create a new package custom. So PO is my package for purchase order entry system. And I'll explain you like when you create a package, if something is like by mistakenly you have like by mistakenly you have done something and you wanted to delete that package. So I'll explain you how you can delete the process also, like how you can delete the package also. Okay, I'll show you how you can delete the package. Like let's say by mistakenly I've written that exxm some example and cl as a class, class, and I have saving this as like to save this you need to enter as like this tab. So this is saved now. Wait a second, the system is very slow, so that's why. mm, I will show you how you can delete the package where also. uh, yeah, now the process is finished. And see, I have came out from the packages, and I remember that I remember that I have done some mistake in this package, and uh, I don't want this package, and I want to delete this package. So how you can delete this package means by selecting this, and you can see here this is a cross mark, so it means like delete. So by selecting the package and clicking on this cross mark, it shows you, are you sure do you want to delete this record? You can say directly yes. So uh, here what and warning will become like this session may takes a long time because of checking the restriction references. Okay, as of now we didn't given any references, so that's why it will delete from here without any problem, you can see. And I'll show you with an example of giving the after giving the references, if you are going to delete what it shows. Okay, that part I'll explain you later. Okay, now let's move to creation of the modules. Okay, okay, come to modules. You can see the standard session code for modules is ttadv 1101 m000 is the standard session code. Okay, here you can see like when I have opened this modules tab like session, it's showing me another package, like some other package. Now I want to open my custom package and I want to add my modules. Okay, to do the you like to do that you have two processes, like either you can directly go to these groups and new. See, to do that you have two processes, like I'll just show you. Either you can go directly in this tab bar, like in this menu bar, and over these groups you can create click on the new. Okay, and you can directly give your CL, like whatever you have defined the package, you can directly enter that, or else you can press Control G, and you can directly enter your custom package and give tab. Tab is mandatory in this. Okay. Okay. Now I am in my modules session. Okay, so I need to add my modules to the custom, to my custom package. So for that, uh, yeah, sorry, it was some disturbance, so that's why I was like, yeah, where I was, yeah. So like as of now, I'm in my module session, and for this my custom package, I wanted to add my modules. Okay. And did you remember my previous class? Okay, like hold on, I'll just open this notes. So did you remember my previous sessions? Like, uh, in my previous session, I was like divided my data model into three types based on the data, like master, master, master data, master data, and transactional data. Did you remember about these concepts? Like master data is nothing but the data that going to never change, or the data that may not change frequently is known as master data. I have told you, and the data that may change, but like the data that may change between like 10 days to 1 month, that is comes under the master data, and the data that going to change frequently is known as the transactional data. So based on this data, we are going to add the modules. Like based on my master data, I'll give my module as common, and based on the data, like master data, maybe based on this, I can give as inventory, invent. Sorry, inventory, and based on my transactional data, I can give it as the transactional data. I can give it as like we are going to develop a purchase order now. So purchase, I can give this based on that. So that's what I'm going to add here. Okay. I need to add three modules, like, okay, right, com, that is nothing but common, and inv, inventory, invent, inventory, purchase, purchase. Okay, I have added successfully the modules in my PO order, like PO package. Wait, I'll change my package, and I will add the modules to this class package also. Like example, it may be a physics, physics, English, English, and the principle is, like, the common principle rule is that while like while defining the modules, you need to give only three characters. Okay, this is the principle, and while defining the packages, you need to give only the two characters. Okay, this is the some basic principle rules. Okay. Okay, so now I have successfully like added two modules, like two packages and two modules for different different packages, okay, like different modules, for different modules, like sorry, for different packages I've added the modules, okay. Now what we need to do, we are going to create a package VRC. So I told you the creation of package VRC is nothing but it's you just giving a name of the folder in your server. Through that name, that's like it's just a name, okay. This package VRC is nothing but you are just giving a name, you're just giving a name to the folder in your server. That's what, okay. It's like we are creating a folder in our server, so that's what we are doing in the package VRC. How you can do that means, like first you can see some other packages there right now, so I need to remove that package and I want to add my package. Means how I can, I directly go to groups, new, and I can change the package tab, given tab, okay. Now I need to create a new package, okay. For that, control N, or else I can click this blank page. So by this a new tab will be open, okay. I need to define my version, okay. For that I'm defining like this 107, maybe this is a purchase order, so 107p. The release is 0, nothing. We are like the customer, maybe we are going to define a purchase order entry system. So let's say our customer is for, we are going to deliver this product to some XY company, XY company. So for customer, I am just giving like you can give simply as like 107 is my, based on my version I'm just giving you 107, 107. Hold on. Customer is for from XYC. Sorry, it's saying it's not allowing. Why it's not allowing? Hold on, let me start from the beginning. Okay, now I need to define a version. So for version, I'm thinking that like 107 U 0. So what I'm like, what I'm doing means like, see here I have defined the package, like version, a version based on my package combination. Like currently I'm using the 10.7, so that's why I have defined this 107U and 0 all 0. And in description, let's say define some XYZ company, or else, yeah, XY um, XY company, and the status is as developing only, okay. So you need to save it, or else you can directly save this, or else save and close. So that's what we have done means we just created a folder. This is just a folder, okay. By this folder you can like the from the like you can see this folder in your server also, okay. I'll show you that in my next class. Sorry, Mr. See, just now what you have done means like you just created a folder, okay. You just created a folder in your server, okay. Now we need to add the software components to our custom package. Okay, you can see here it shows me like some other package. So I'm just removing this package and adding my package. Okay, like see adding of this directories of software components, we have two ways. So, like from two ways we can add this. I'll show you both. Okay, first way is like I'll just change this. Okay, I'll just add this for no, wait one second. I need to add package VRC for other package also. I'll just remove this. I add package VRC for this class. For this class 107 U, sorry, it's capital U, release is 0 and customer is all 0. Um, Sample VRC. Okay, now I have created two VRCs. Okay, for my two packages. First I'm going to add a first I'm going to show you how you can add the software components to your custom packages. Like as you can see, we have some new package IM for Infor learning purchase, and for that IM you can see uh, here we have all these software components like form, menus, objects, program scripts, functions, reports, additional files. So how you can add, I'll just show you. First way is you just go to groups, new, click new, and change the package, give tab, change the VRC, or else you can directly go to your this like VRC session and you can select your VRC. So for selecting that, you can directly click on this arrow, or else you can directly press Ctrl B. It will navigate you to this VRC page and you directly select this and enter. And after that, just give tap, tap, tap. See, uh, it is changed. Okay. Now I need to add the software components to my custom package. So for that, what I'm just doing, give Control N. I need to add Control N, form, tab. So here you can see it's showing the path $BSC path. So I told you now, like $BSC is nothing but this dollar symbol came from the Linux. Like Linux, from Linux, this dollar symbol has been came, and B, wait one second, I'll just add here. So you can see that a dollar BSE. So what it's showing, wait one second. So if I click tab, it asks me if you like you want to create a directory for this. Like first time if you are trying to create it, it will ask you once. Okay, if I press S, then it will allow you to now in your server a new directory has been created with the name of PO. Okay, and I'll explain you this what it means. Okay, this dollar is came from the Linux. Okay, it's Linux, because this Infor LN was previously developed from the Linux. Okay, later it was converted into the Windows. Okay, and this B stands for ban. Okay, this Infor LN was developed previously by ban company, so that original origin name is there. Okay, ban, and this S stands for shell. Okay, this S stands for okay shell, and this E stands for environment. Okay, okay, and this complete $BSC path means like this is the path where your custom application and your file is going to store. This is the path. Okay, I hope you are getting some idea and clarity. Okay, okay, now I have added forms in my custom package, I need to add another software components. For that, I'm just changing this, and now I'm adding the menu, giving a tab, and now changing that menu, and now I'm just adding the objects, and again giving the tab, changing the components, software components, adding the program scripts, again giving the tabs. Now I'm just changing the program scripts and like adding the functions, again changing and adding the report scripts, additional files. Okay, I have added all the things. Okay, just you can directly click on save. Record is already exists. Okay. So for this, you can directly give a escape button and save. No, skip. Hold on. Uh, Skip. See, you can see here for my custom package, I have added the all the directory, like all the software components like forms, menus, objects, program scripts, functions, report scripts, and additional files. Okay. Now this is one way of adding the like this software components. Okay, I'll show you the other way of how you can add the like software components to your custom package. To add that, you can directly simply do one thing. Click on the groups, duplicate. Okay. Now what here it's showing, select the first record to be copied. Okay. I'm just selecting the first record, and then what it's showing me, select the last record to be copied. Okay. So I'm just selecting the last record, which means like it is going to copy the all the records between these. Okay. Now after that, I just need to change the package, need to change the VRC. I directly click Control B, select this and enter, tab, tab, tab. Okay. And now, as I told you, first time it will ask you to create the directories of software components. So it's just showing me that copy records between these two. Are you like, do you want to copy records between these two? So yes, and as I told you now, whenever we are going to create a custom package and when we are going to create a directories of software components, so it will ask you to like, are you sure, do you want to create a directory? So I told like, if I say yes, then this this will going to create a direct like create a folder in my server as CL is my package 107U space 0 space all zeros is my the VRC that what I have given. You can see like, sorry, as of now this is some like, if I change then like if I click S and change the package, like everything will be run up, but for, I'll I'm just going like, I'm just saying that uh like in your server the a directory file will be stored as with your package and with your VRC name. Okay, like see, CL 107 underscore 0 underscore all zeros is my VRC. Okay. Now I have copied all records. Okay. After that, I need to do the package by package combinations, which means like, see, this package by package combinations is nothing but it's like a play store, and where all the apps will be there, like where all the applications will be there, uh, and in that play store you just adding your custom app. Okay, that's what, like in this play store, I'm just what I'm doing, I'm just adding my custom package. Okay, so to add my custom application, what I need to do, I just need to like click on Control N, and then just add the custom package PO, tab, 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 tab. Sorry, it's showing me VRC is not found because the default VRC for previous what it is taking that only. We need to change the VRC. Okay, for my PO I have selected some XY VRC, so that's why. Okay, now I need to change the again I need to select the new package class. I need to select the new VRC. For selecting that I'll enter the press Control B, select my sample VRC. Okay, and tab and just save this. Okay, it shows you that for the following package combinations you need to prepare data upgrade engines. Okay, leave it that. Okay, leave it that. And now you can see at that bottom session, like at the left bottom session, there is a status called like DD, rebuild DD to process changes. What it means, we need to do the rebuild DD. Okay, we need to do the rebuild DD process. Okay, now, and I'll tell you by doing the process only. I'll explain you the concept. Okay, see what we have done till now. We have created some new directories. Now these directories need to be understood by the system. So for that we need to do the rebuild DD process. Okay, and see what here a warning is came. The data directories of package combination will be rebuild continue. Now, okay, now I need to start the process of rebuild DD. See what this is the process of rebuild DD process. uh, the rebuild DD process is nothing but we have created some new directories now. So new directories, so these new directories need to be understood by the system. So that's why what the system will do, it will drop all the content and recreate the content. So let's take an example. You have taken a direct dictionary. You added a new word called OTT, like over the top, in the dictionary. So when you add the new word to the dictionary, and when you do this rebuild ED process, which means rebuild data dictionary. So this process behind it, what will happen means what will happen means the system will drop all the contents, like whatever the packages are there now. So all the content, it will drop all the content and rearrange it as a set of new word. And after rearranging the word what you have added, the o word, so that will go to the alphabetical order to O only. Okay, that's what the process behind the rebuild DD will happen. Okay, and we have two concepts like application data dictionary and runtime data dictionary. Okay, see, the application data dictionary is nothing but the information in the database is known as application data dictionary. Okay, whatever the information at the database will be available now, that is known as application data dictionary. But coming to this runtime data dictionary, the files in the operating system is known as runtime data dictionary. Okay, this rebuilding or reorganizing and whatever changes is seeing in the updating on the system now or in the server, this is one kind of runtime data dictionary. We are doing the runtime data dictionary. Okay, and see, you can see here, it shows me runtime sessions, like table definitions. It's checking the table definitions. Like initially what happened means in the behind, what it has been done means all the content it is dropped, and it is recreating the content. It's like rearranging. This may take time about 5 to probably 5 minutes. see, you can see that like table definition, TF cat, table definition TF SEMG 300 550. It's rearranging all this from the beginning. It's going to rearrange whenever you are going to add a new package in your like whenever you are going to create a custom package. And so, and when you do the rebuild DD process, so what the system will do behind the process means like it will just drop all the content what you have like it will drop all the content what the system is having already. So after dropping it will rearrange all the process. Okay, that's what happened behind the process. And once this process is completed, I just wanted to show you how the file will be stored at the server. And apart from that, whenever you are doing some rebuild DD process or convert to runtime, or whenever you are doing such things, you need to like close the application and reopen the application. Because see, like when see whenever you are trying to like connect through like when I have been connected to the application at the first time, so the runtime is the behind the at the runtime only limited applications were there. Now I have added new application like new package in my this package by package combination. To see this application at the runtime process, I need to close the application and reopen. Okay, I'll show you that after completion of this process. Okay, and after completion of this thing, yeah, now it is completed. What I was saying that after completion of this login and logout process, I just wanted to explain you how you can delete the custom package. Okay, that's what also I just wanted to explain in front of you. See, now the process is completed. Okay, now if you see this like process to be changed, if I click OK, then the status will be not will not be no longer will not see reveal details succeed. Okay, see, you can see there is nothing in my like bottom left session. Okay, uh, I'll do the logout. I'll just exit from this application and reconnect this. enter. Sorry. Why? See, I just want to just explain the process behind why the process, the concept between logout and login. Like, see, when I have connected to the server for the first time, before changing the data, or like before changing anything, so then a lot of objects has been loaded to the shared memory. Okay, that is nothing but information in the runtime data dictionary. Okay, which have loaded into the system. Okay, and I have been using this shared memory so far, like I'm talking about the previous one. Okay, but now I have but now because of the rebuild dd, certain files undergoes through the changes in the runtime data dictionary. Like I've in the runtime data dictionary I've created new files now, like new packages. One is like pivo and second one is cl. So like both of like what I'm saying, yeah. Now the current, like the previous I'm saying, the current runtime data dictionary and the previous runtime data dictionary, both are different now, as of now. So as if I want to change the current runtime, I need to log out and log in. So that's why when I log out and log in, the shared memory will flush out, and my memory, new memory will create, uh, like I mean to say, like my memory will clear, like the current old memory will clear whenever you are doing certain changes and doing the rebuild it or certain like convert to runtime. So if you are doing certain changes at the runtime data dictionary and in the previously, uh, like it at the at the shared like at the current runtime, like in the shared memory, certain changes whatever you are doing in the current runtime data dictionary, that will not reflect. So to reflect that, you need to log out and log in, because uh, whenever you connect whenever you reconnect then this that new runtime data dictionary files will copy the shared memory, and this is all the internal process will happen. Like, see, just now I've like I'll explain you in a simple terms. Okay, now I'm just opening my this application. Okay, LN application, and I'm doing certain changes, like adding a custom package or deleting some custom package in that. Okay, and see, when I have opened this application, uh, some lots of objects are loading at the shared memory. Okay, and that is running at the application itself, not at the runtime. The shared memory is running at the application itself, not at the runtime. So whenever you are doing certain changes in the runtime, it need to be update in the shared memory. uh, to update that, you need to log out and log in, then a new this whatever you have done the changes now, these changes are going to store at the application level, and then it shows at the runtime. Okay, uh, this is a certain topic that I have that what I wanted to discuss in front of you. And one more thing that is that, see, let's say now I have added two packages in my package by package combination. Okay, and I've given the references also, and you think that you want to let's say I want to delete that. What do you think it will happen? No, it won't happen. See, let me do that in front of you. I just wanted to delete this cl, yeah, class. uh, when I have created a package and deleted it the first time without giving any references, it is deleted normally. Okay, but now when I have given the mm, when I have given the references, okay, it takes two time. Now it shows me an error, like an warning. Package occurs in modules. Okay, like, did you get any idea? Like, previously, when the first time when I have defined a package and deleted at that time, I didn't given any references to the packages. So that's why it has been checked whether for this package it is having any references or not. If no references, it is deleted without any warning. If the package is having any references, it throws you an error that like an warning. It having like some references. First, try to delete the references and come here. It's like uh, child and parent relationship, similar to that only. Okay. See, I'm just deleting this. No, I want to delete this Infor learning practice. First, while deleting it, ask a warning like, are you sure, do you want to delete this? And then it throws an warning that this action can take a long time because of checking the restriction. So if you have any restrictions, it throws an warning that package occurs in modules. Okay. So first, if you want to delete this package, what you need to do is like, okay, I'll show you that. You need to open the modules. Okay. And open the IM. Control G, IM, tab. Okay. This is my info learning. I need to delete this. Control all. I think this is not will happen. I'll select all. I'm selecting. I'm trying to delete this. Are you sure? No, it throws me a warning. Are you sure? Do you want to delete? Yes. So this action may take long time because of the restrictions. Okay. I've said okay. It went out. I too don't know why it has been directly throws out of the application. Let me check in the modules again. Sessions. Sorry, why I'm opening the sessions. Yeah, coming to package and modules. Let me check in the modules. Control G. IM. See, it's not deleting. It directly throw you out of the application itself. I just want to clarify you while creating anything, we are going in a order wise. Okay. Now, while deleting, you need to do the reverse order. Okay. Like, see, I'm just trying to show you. Now, I'll tell you how you have to delete that. Okay. First, you need to remove that part like IM app, like package from the package by package combination. Okay. You need to remove from here. Like I'm deleting from here. So it asks me, are you sure? Do you want to delete? Yeah, yes, I want to delete. Okay. Now you can see here. Just now I've done an update. So like initially it was full. Okay. Now I've just changed some like as I've just deleted the package. Okay. Now it asked me to do the rebuild DD process, which means like I want like system is just wanted to update at the runtime. Okay. This part I'll do later. Okay. As of now, you can see successfully I have deleted the package from the package by package combination, but this is the last step in my while creating. Okay. Now I want to delete from the directories. uh, I just want to delete the record. Okay. I'll just change the package IM, change the VRC Infor learning, tap. Okay. I just want to delete. No such record cannot delete. Okay. If I want to select this and delete. Okay. Directors of software. No. Now I've successfully deleted the software components of, okay. Now I want to remove the VRC, okay. I'll just add the package audit IM, okay. Now I want to delete the VRC also, okay. This action may take, it throws me a warning that this action may take a long time because of checking the restrictions. uh, it won't get any error, it will successfully delete because I have deleted the directories of software components, and the directories of software components is successfully deleted because I've removed the package from the package by package combination, okay. Now if I try to delete the modules, like by changing the IM, then it will delete directly without any error or without any uh, thing. See, like when I'm just click on the deleting, it throws me a warning like this action may take long. Okay, if I click OK, why again? Wait 1 second. Ideally, it has not to show any error because I've removed everything. So no need of showing the error, but it throws me an error. Why? Let me try once. Check once. Okay, 1 second. I am okay. I guess due to this, it throws me an error. Okay. First, let me do the rebuild DD process again, and I'll show you after this. Okay. First, let me do the rebuild DD process. Okay. It shows me printing on device D display. Okay. Wait for the 5 minutes. I'll just show you after that what is the happening, like how you'll delete the like this package. Okay. Yeah, wait once again, like hold on. As I told you now, the rebuild DD process may takes time because like it will drop all the content and reorganize all the things in the sorting way. Because just now I have removed one package from the directories now. So the system wants to understand like what is there in the directories. And now what like now this rebuild DD process will happen at the runtime level, okay? And the what I have told you now, shared memory, that will be at the application level, okay? So that the application level will not going to update. We need to just every time we need to log out our system. What whenever we are doing some certain changes is in the sense like whenever you're doing like certain changes is like you are going to add a certain fields and do you are going to do the convert to runtime data dictionary. So whenever you are doing any changes at the runtime data dictionary, you need to just log out the application and log in, so that like the so that the runtime application what whatever the shared memory have will the old memory will flush out and the new shared memory will come with a new runtime data dictionary. And in that new runtime data dictionary, whatever you have changed now, that will be there in the old runtime data dictionary at the shared memory. Hold on, it shows me an error that a serious error is in processing bd config, please view out. Okay, I think this is because like just now I have deleted this package now and not and deleted that package is not done in a proper way, so that's why it throws me an error, I guess. And I guess that this rebuild dd process is not done properly. See, yeah, I hope that and it is not done properly because you can see this like process to be changes shown still. Yeah, but mm, but I have removed from here, but still it shows me that the package is there. I need to work on this. I'll try to delete singly. Yeah, this is also not happening. Yeah, okay. I'll look at this and like I need to check out this and I'll update you in the next video, okay? Now let's move to Q&A session. If you have any questions about what we have covered, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer your questions and provide you more insights. And thank you for joining the today's session on Infor Learning. I hope you found this information insightful and useful. Uh, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on Info Learning and other ERP solutions. Feel free to leave your comments and say uh, suggestions for the future topics. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.